They say baby grow up in the blink of an eye, but what if you could bottle up that sweetness in a single soft thread? Welcome back to the studio. Today we aren't just looking at clothes, we are looking at the future heirlooms. If you have been searching for the perfect come home outfit, or if you are a boutique owner looking for the next viral piece for your Etsy or Shopify store, you are in the right place. Stick with me until then. I am revealing a design that has been an absolute bestseller their season in a row. Let's dive into the world of luxury crochet. First up, we are seeing a massive shift towards modern vintage. Gone are the days of scratchy neon acrylics. Today, market is craving organic texture. Notice these muted earthy tones. We are using 100% Piyama cotton and a bamboo blend. Why? Because on Shopify and Etsy, breathable and hypoallergenics are the magic words that convert browsers into buyers. Design deep, look at their flutter sleeves, they add movement in a high-end boutique feels without requiring complex tailoring. Adding a single wooden button at the back isn't just functional, it signals handmade quality to a customer tired of mass-produced plastics. If you want to listing to stand out in a sea of search results, you need texture photographies, everything online, and flat stitches often look well flat. Check out the meadow dress. We have used the popcorn stitch to create these tiny tactical bubbles. It creates a 3D effect that looks incredible in photos. When listing these, mention the texture provided as a sensory experience for the baby. It's a unique selling point that giants retail simply can't replicate. And don't be afraid of whimsy factor. Small additions like crochet tulips along the hem or a bunny ear could turn a simple $30 dress into $65 luxury gift set. A common mistake sellers make is